All right, Wiser Shifters, what we have today is a piece of technology that I believe everybody who has a piece of land or that love camping or whatever purposes, especially if there's no power, I should definitely say this is a plus. And this is the third version of what I like to call the gift from God, which is, I'm talking about the Ecoflow River 3, and this is the third version of that series. So let's get to the video. And we're going to do a quick unboxing, and I know there's a lot of video on YouTube, but I just wanted to do it and share with you guys. So let's see what's in the box, and then we're going to talk more about it in depth, why I got it and why you should get it. And this is not a sponsored video. This is something that I bought out of my own pocket. I purchased this during Prime recently, so Amazon Prime. So I'm gonna have a lot of tech that I'm gonna do recommendation, and which I like to call Tech Tuesday. So stick around. So let's see what we have in the box. All right, first thing that we do have is, of course, the box that have all the plugs inside of it. Look at the slogan, Power a New World. But anyway, all right, first thing first that we do have in the box. Okay, make sure we have everything out. All right, so we do have a AC pigtail power cable. It's just your standard pigtail prong, and of course it comes neatly wrapped. And then of course we have our car charger cable that comes inside. This is nice. Let's see what we have inside the package. All right, so we have our quick start guide. And let's see, QR code, advertisement, solar advertisement you can get, plus your manual. Don't forget your manual. Always skim through it, learn about the device. But this is an unboxing. We're gonna continue. Now for the main event, what we've been waiting for, the actual power station. Man, this is nice. It feels firm, feels solid, not too heavy in the hand, and I can definitely say, man, this is worth it. Listen, you will not regret buying one. This Ecoflow River 3, it's awesome. Go get yours. This is not a sponsored video. I love this product for real because I bought it with my own money. This is not a sponsor. So go get yours. If you someone who into technology and ease of use and convenience, this is gonna help you in a survival situation or your everyday use. Whatever the purpose, get one. You will thank me later. Remember, here on Wiser Shift, we focus on shifting the mind, body, and soul for a better life through practical prepping. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.